Hello friends! Does culture define us? Yes, to a great extent, especially when we talk of lands such as Africa, which is the world's second largest continent. African culture is varied, consisting of a mixture of tribes. Are you excited to know about the African tribes and their culture? So guys, what are you waiting for? Hit the like button and get ready to explore. Fact number 1. Quetta ceremony. Quetta ceremony of the Xhosa is a test for a boy to qualify him as a man. So the boys are sent to spend several days or several weeks in a lodge during winter, and they are put through rigorous and often dangerous tests such as continuous dancing until exhaustion. And if they pass, they will be eligible to take a woman for marriage, or else the boy would always be regarded as a boy and never as a man, and as a result no woman would take him for marriage. Fact number 2. Spitting your blessings. Spitting at each other is seen as a way of giving a blessing. In order to wish good luck and a long life to newborn children, parents, friends and the family spit on the children. When they greet and also when they get married, they spit on each other. Fact number 3. Bull jumping. A hammer man may have the freedom to marry and be regarded as a major member of his tribe after this ceremony. In the Ethiopian Hammer tribe, young boys must run, jump and land on the back of a bull, and also run across the backs of several bulls. They do this multiple times and usually in the nude. Fact number 4. Women have their own houses. In the Gio tribe in Ivory Coast, each wife has her own small house made of mud and thatch usually, and she lives in with her children until they become old enough to move out. The children never live with their fathers. Fact number 5. Wealth is measured by cows. In the Pokot tribe in Kenya, wealth is measured by how many cows a family has. Most Pokot people are either corn people or cow people, meaning that's why what they cultivate on their land. But all Pokot people measure their wealth by cows. The number of women a man can carry is determined by how many cows he has. Fact number 6. Red sun block. The Himba people of northern Namibia cover their skin with a mixture of butter fat and ochre, which is a natural earth pigment containing iron oxide, to protect themselves from the sun. For that reason, the Himba people often appear to have a red skin. Fact number 7. A thorough cleansing. The Chewa people are one of the largest indigenous groups of Malawi but live throughout Central and Southern Africa. When a person dies, one family tradition involves taking the body into the woods, slitting the throat and forcing water through the body to cleanse it. They do this by squeezing the stomach until what comes out the rear end runs clear. Fact number 8. Lip stretching. Teenage girls in Africa who belong to the Sara people and Lobi of Chad have a different definition of entering teenage. They do the lip stretching process. It usually involves excision of two lower front teeth, and the lower lip is slit to insert a plate to stretch the lip. The size of the lip plate is a sign of social or economical importance in some African tribes there. It's ornamental for them, just like teenagers do the piercings. Fact number 9. Mourning a death is tougher than fighting a lion. The Pokot tribe of Kenya has a radical view of death. They say it's easy to convince the Pokot people into fighting a wild animal rather than to convince him into mourning or looking at a dead person. Whenever a person in a family is about to die, they abandon the house, fearing if they even touch the person, they would be the next to die. Fact number 10. Beating the suitor. The Fulani tribe live in many countries in West Africa and follow a tradition called Sharo. Sharo happens when two young men want to marry the same woman. To compete for her hand, they beat one another up. The men must suppress signs of pain, and the one who takes the beating without showing signs of pain can take the wife. So friends, these are the facts about African culture. If you like this video, hit the like button and also share this video to all your friends so that they can also know the facts about African culture. Smash the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the notifications of interesting videos just like this. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are provided in the description box. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.